Hello everyone, thank you for following my CV channel. Today I'm going to talk about very important comment which make you to draw a floor plan very fast and modification. So this comment is called alignment, to do alignment. We can get it from the modification panel, as you can see from here, which can align objects with other object in 2D or 3D, or you can use the short key of AL. We'll type AL. So for example, before starting, for example, I want to put this sink in this location. One easy way to just move it, type M, as you know, and then we will select the object and then move it, but it's much bigger than this one. So what we can do, we already know about it. I already told you how to use the scale command, but the scale command you need to know exactly how much this one and how much to scale it. So there is another option which is called alignment, which I told you. You will type AL, then it will ask you to select the object. You will select this object, right click, specify first source point. This is our source point, this is our source. We will specify the first source point, then it will mention specify first destination point. This is our destination point. We want it to be located in here. Then it will ask you to do same thing for a second point. This is our destination point. Then if you have third and fourth point, which we don't have it, then we will do right click. Then it will ask you, do you want to scale it based on alignment point? We will tell it yes, for sure, please. See, as you can see how nice, how fast is fit there. You can use it for all whatever you think. For example, for a door, main entrance door, you want to move it to the room doors or whatever you want, which has a different in a dimension, you can do it. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.